And we say the brain develops till 5 years of age. So there's something different, like in terms of food or what a parent can do for a good brain development, and what actually means that the brain develop by 5 years of age.
Okay. So when a child is born, जितना उसका brain होता है, by 5 years 90% of the brain development आता है. When we mean development, so it's like every second, every minute, new wiring connections are being made in the brain, which are known as synapses. So
Right.
this wiring of the brain happens in the initial years. तो जो आप बच्चे को पहले 5 साल में सिखा दोगे, ब्रेन उसी तरीके से वायर्ड हो जाएगा. सो दिस वायरिंग डिटरमाइंस कि बच्चा कैसे मूव करेगा, कैसे फील करेगा, कैसे अंडरस्टैंड करेगा वर्ल्ड को. It is also said that brain is like a wet cement in the initial 5 years. So every experience will leave an imprint. And so it's like the baby is born with the brain, but usko build हमें करना है as parents. We are the chief architects. We'll have to build it. So talk, play, love are the three scenarios which help.
Yeah.
Talk to your baby. जितना rhyme सुना सकते हो, storytelling, even day-to-day communication. So when there's a language-rich environment, the babies usually tend to be, more vocabulary rich and the brain is more stimulated. Then play. Messy play है, free play है, structured, unstructured, any kind of play. So उससे thinking abilities बढ़ती हैं, then problem solving abilities बढ़ती है. And one very important part is reading. So even before the child learns how to talk, you should read to them. Okay. So उससे भी उनकी vocabulary बढ़ती है, their concentration increases, and even their imagination increases. So I'm not really in favor of the ये आजकल जो apps and gadgets आ गए हैं to increase the brain development of the baby.
Nice.
In fact, the screen time limitation below 2 years, the guidelines say कि 0 screen time होना चाहिए. एक बार screen दिखा दिया brain का wiring तो सारा वैसे का वैसा रहेगा. The brain will not get wired. Okay. And the last thing is to emotionally, well-being of the child. So you should always respond to your baby's needs. It's said कि अगर बच्चा रो रहा है and कोई parent अच्छे से उसे उठा रहा है, like consistently you are responding, वो डांटे बिना, so it creates a kind of attachment which is known as secure attachment. And these secure attachment वाले babies are less aggressive toddlers and more emotionally healthy adults. So these are all things which parents can do to
And these days मतलब हर food packet के ऊपर लिख देता है this is good
brain
for
boosting.
brain boosting.
Yeah,
and
right.
so is there any मतलब like substance also that helps?
So not really. So DHA and omega
Yes,
fatty
yes, that's
acids,
it.
they are known to cause, but the quantities in which they are, available in the
Yeah.
food. So ऐसा नहीं है खाने पे DHA लिखा है खा लिया तो child will be, brilliant child.
brilliant child.
Everything matters. So eventually what matters is if your child is taking a healthy diet. So nutritionally balanced diet is what matters. And DHA तो breast milk में भी बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. We've already discussed कि breast milk can cause good brain development also in a way.
Right.